Good morning, folks. This is Shane.Timmons with Guaranty RV Supercenter. Today we're looking at one of our last 2018 Torques 325. Got a great special on this one. So if you're looking for that deal of the day, this is really a good one to look at. First of all, it's a Heartland product on the MoRide chassis, same chassis, suspension, everything as the Cyclone, just a few different bells and whistles. Comes equipped with the 5500 watt generator, push button start. If you notice right here, you have nice big bays with the magnets that hold the doors up. Inside, a couple things that are really nice to have, and that's access in and through, and you can run your cords and hoses and everything up through here. You got your cables that run up through the coach, and you got a battery disconnect switch, and you got everything that you need to keep everything warm in here. Part of your 4-season packaging. It is solar prepped as well. Come on inside. Outside stereo. So this one here has got the two slide outs, one on opposing sides, so it gets you just a ton of counter space, which is really nice. You can get in here and do your, your prep work, cook work, and you got plenty of room to move around, lots of storage up and above. You have a full-size pantry back over here. Plenty of cover space. If you notice, everywhere they can possibly put a shelf, they can. Now the slides do cut down on your shelving area a little bit, but these guys do a nice job of giving you plenty of drawer space, cover space. You got an oven here, you got the microwave here, and it's a stainless steel appearance package on the solid surface. So all that is definitely upgrades. You also have, if you turn around real quick, the double reclining sofa, and what's really cool about that is everybody can have their own spot. TV's up here in the corner, so you can really relax when you want to. You also have the overhead surround sound, they call that. So it's a theater aspect, so you can really get into your video games, movies, whatever it is you're into. Central air. If you notice, you have one air conditioner right here, but it's also circular air, so it's vented all the way to the front and to the back. Let me check. These do have the options for 2 air conditioners. So this one has the 1. So you can upgrade, go to 2 if you choose to. In the bedroom, you have the nice king-size bed. And you also have a spot for a TV. We don't put TVs in every room, but we do have hookups in every room for you. A king-size bed, and it's a walk-around, so you can get to both sides. You got nightstands, nice overhead storage, and it goes all the way around. Outlets on both sides, 110, USB, so you can get your CPAP machines, whatever you need over there. Nice hanging closet. This is the third slide out on this unit. So you get a nice deep wardrobe, drawer space on both sides. You have bathroom accommodations here, hanging closet. Speaking of the bathroom, I'll just step down the steps here. You notice it's a nice big shower. If you're over 6 foot, you can take a shower in there. It's really accommodating. Skylight, porcelain toilet, and you actually have spot for a vanity mirror or a medicine cabinet to where you can put your night things behind the glass. In the back, this is a very multifunctional area. This is what they call a bath and a half. So right in here, you have the second facility. 1 shower, 2 toilets, bath and a half. And it's got the full enclosed garage. A lot of people really like this feature because obviously when you're bringing your toys, what have you in here is going to create some fumes with gas smell. So that shuts that down, so you don't have that. Really easy to clean. So if you get a mess going on in here, you can take a hose and just spray the whole back end of this thing out. And once you got it cleaned up, everything out of here, you can drop this down. It's got the dinette, so it's got a couple different looks. You have a dinette or a 2 queen bed option. This one has the MoRide decking, so this whole back end drops down, fences around with an entrance, so the steps go off the back. So if you can kind of visualize that, you can set it all up to where you can walk in and out rather easily off the back end of the deck, or you can walk in and out through this door right here. So you have a couple entrances just in the back room. They're a phenomenal coach, very affordable. This one's marked like $20,000 off of MSRP. Like I said, it's one of our last 18s going into 19. Come see me on this. It's Shane.Timmons at GuarantyRV.com. Thanks.